Toot, 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 toot. Meow. Hi mga kalakang, for today's vlog, gagawa tayo ng activities na isasubmit mamaya. Apo, mamaya. Hi, my name is Alvin Aisadang from Beautylad ICT 1C. I am 23 years old stunner. For today's vlog, yun na nga, gagawa tayo ng activities. Paulit-ulit. Okay, without further ado, magbabasa na tayo. Here. Hi everyone! Again, today I want to share the values and early experiences that shaped my entrepreneurial views and how this can influence my future as a TLE educator. Growing up, I learned that success does not always come from big opportunities. Sometimes it starts with small ideas and actions. I saw people around me working hard to support their families. Some had small businesses, sold food, repaired things, or found creative ways to earn money. Watching them made me realize that being resourceful and hardworking is very important, especially in entrepreneurship. Yeah. And it showed me that entrepreneurship is not only about making money, but also solving problems and helping others. One of the values that really shaped me is perseverance. Yes, perseverance. There were times when things were not easy, and I saw how people continued working even when they faced challenges. Instead of giving up, this taught me that failure is not the end. It is part of learning and growing. Because of this, I developed a mindset that is okay to start as small and improve step by step. Yeah. Another important value I learned is responsibility, managing time, handling money wisely, and keeping promises to customers that are all important in entrepreneurship. I also realized that importance of honesty and respect. When people trust you, they are more likely to support your work or business. These simple, meaningful lessons help me shape my understanding of what it means to be responsible and also something that creativity that influenced my entrepreneurial mindset. I notice how people use their skills and talents to create opportunities, whether it was cooking, crafting, repairing, or offering services. They found ways to their abilities into something useful. This inspired me to believe that everyone has skills that can grow into opportunities. Yeah, if they're willing to learn and try, yeah, if you really want to try, then try it. Yeah. Now, as a future TL educator, these experiences will strongly influence how I teach my students. TL is not only about learning technical skills, it is also about building confidence, creativity, and independence. I want my student that learning practical skills can help them become more prepared for real life situations. Because of my entrepreneurial mindset, I plan to encourage students to think creatively, solve problems. I want them to explore their talents and discover how they can use their skills in meaningful ways. I also want to teach them the value of work, patience, and continuous learning. Instead of being afraid of mistakes, I will remind them that mistakes are part of the learning success. Yes, the success. I mean the process. In my future classroom, I hope to creative I hope to create activities that feel real and practical. For example, students can work on small projects where they plan, create, and present their own product or services. Through these activities, they will only learn technical skills, but also teamwork and communication and responsibility. Most importantly, I want to inspire students to believe in themselves. Yeah, because not all the students has this confidence, believe them, believing about themselves that they can do whatever they want to do. Yeah. So that's all for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching this. And yeah, thank you, Sir Mark, and God bless. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank